Marriott, Ebi ni gosod ti'n hyfryd I lwybr Danny Redmond. A'r cyffyrddiad gan Dean Ebi. Pasio slick gan y Seintia, nodweddiadol ohonyn nhw. A Dean Ebi bron am anteisio. Sislovic ar ergyd! O'na chi arbediad ardderchog gan Scott James. Adrian Sislovic, hanner cyfle mae o'i angen. Mi oedd hwnna mynd am y gornel bella. Mastles, gweld mae yna le'r ochr bella gan Sislovic. Mastles wedi parhau yr ediad I fan i'r gwrt. Dyma Sislovic! Bron iawn a sgorio gol nodweddiadol o Adrian Sislovic. Routledge. O, mae yna le fan hyn gan Robles, mae Ebi yn y canol. Bale ar draws wyneb y gol. Ac yn cael ei chlirio yn y diwedd o Sislovic yn ôl I fewn at Ebi! O, cyfle gorau'r gêm I Dean Ebi. Mi oedd y gol yn wag, gormod arni hi, dihangfa i'r hen air. Steele, Bale yn sgwar. Mae yna gyfle gan Adam John. John all gael ei ergyd I fewn. Mae dal yna I Adam John. Dyma Dyson! Oedd honna ddim yn bell o gwbl gan Tom Dyson. Vickers yn dal I fynd yn cael ei lorio. Gan Chris Marriott, mae Marriott wedi gweld cerdyn melyn yn yr hanner cynta. Mae yna ail gerdyn melyn yn fan hyn I Chris Marriott. A capten y Seintia newydd yn cael ei hel o'r cae. Mi fydd rhaid i'r Seintia chwarae'r 10 munud ola efo 10 dyn. A'r gic gynta, Ben Steele yn gyrru Connor Roberts y ffordd anghywir. Declan McManus I gymryd y gic gynta i'r Seintia. Dim broblem o gwbl I McManus. I dor hwyd. Matthew Delaney sydd ar cyfrifoldeb I lawr y canol unwaith eto. Robles, lawr y canol unwaith eto. Tom Dyson yn methu yr arbediad gan Connor Roberts. Mae'n Adrian Sislovic I gymryd y drydedd i'r Seintia. Mi ath y golwr y ffordd cywir. Tristan Jones, dim broblem o gwbl. John Routledge yn ei chladdu hi gefn y rwyd. Mae'n rhaid iddo fo sgorio. Vickers, mae o'n gwneud hynny'n gyffyrddus. O sgorith Redmond, mi fydd y Seintia drwodd i'r rownd nesa. Redmond yn ei gwneud ti. Y Seintia newydd sydd yn ennill ar gicia o'r sbotyn.
Anthony, you got away with that one.
Yeah, I'd say that was probably a good way to describe it. I thought that from start to finish we were a long way off where we have been for most of this season, and it was disappointing. Didn't think we passed the ball well. We gave the opposition a lot of credit before the game actually, and we prepared really well for this game. We knew what they were going to do. We knew that it'd be difficult. We knew they'd make it hard for us. We knew they'd be set up really well and well organised, and they certainly were. I think they were great value and probably deserved the win. I mean, in a way, we had plenty of chances, but I think that performance of them was fantastic, and if they'd have nicked it at the end through penalties or some good play that they played when we had a man sent off, you couldn't have begrudged them that. So fair play to the opposition. Sometimes you have to hold your hands up with that, but I'd say from our point of view we were disappointed with how we played.
Sean, you can hold your heads up high.
Yeah, you know, we're proud of the performance. Obviously, we just told the boys that in there now. You know, obviously we knew it was going to be a tough task today, but we had a plan in place as a staff, and the players carried that out to a T, to be fair. You know, we thought we'd had our day in the sun, if you like, up in Newtown, but you know, they've given them a good account of themselves again today. So we're a little bit disappointed to go out on penalties. It's never a nice way to go out, is it? But like I say, we're very, very proud of the lads, and you know, on another day we could have taken the mighty TNS out of the cup.